Bromic acid, represented by the formula HBrO₃, is a chemical compound you might not encounter every day.
This compound is an oxoacid of bromine, consisting of bromine, oxygen, and hydrogen atoms.
Bromic acid is usually found in an aqueous state, appearing as a colorless solution.
It is known for being a strong acid and an oxidizing agent, which makes it reactive with many substances.
In chemical reactions, bromic acid can break down into different products, releasing energy.
Despite its reactive nature, bromic acid has limited applications, primarily in scientific research. Safety precautions are crucial when handling bromic acid due to its corrosive nature. Understanding bromic acid broadens our knowledge of chemical reactions and compound interactions.